Hello Webflowers, in this video I will show you how you can install Slater app in one of your projects, how you can connect it with your project, and then how to properly use it. So you don't have to publish your Webflow website every time you make a change in your code. So let's begin. Now to install Slater, you have to go to this apps panel here. As you can see, Slater is installed already on my website, and that is because I installed it on all of my website, just because I use it so often. But if you don't worry, you simply search for it, and then it will look like this. You simply click on it and then install on site. It should be very easy to do so. Now once you install it, it will look like this. It will launch, and then you will have this dashboard right here. Now it might be confusing, but connecting it to your Webflow project is actually pretty simple. So let's do that right away. Now to do that, you simply go to Files, and then here to Home.js. Now keep in mind that by clicking on this cog icon, you can actually change some settings here. For example, if you want to change the name or type of code you're writing, in this tutorial we will use JavaScript, but if you want CSS, you can simply do that as well. Now let's change this to something like index. Now you don't have to write .js because they do it automatically. Let's save the file. Great. Now to connect this with your project, you go to this connections tab here, select the file. Now this is the same one, it just didn't update yet, but that's the same file that we have. And then click here on copy. Now I'm using FinSuite extension. If you don't, you go to site settings, you go to custom code, and then into the footer code, you simply paste this here. Let's save, and let's just publish right away. Now let's go onto the website, and we will go to the console because we want to, as you can see, it already loaded, which is great. Now if we go back to the designer, I will show you how exactly it works and why the Slater is so good. Now let's launch it back. And then let's just write a simple line of code. For example, console log. So let's log something like, hello, this is tutorial. Now if we save this, now we can save to staging, or simply click on Ctrl S or Command S if you're using Mac. And then if we go here and then reload, you can see that this change is automatically applied. Now this is game changing because before, if you didn't have Slater app, you have to publish this and then test it. And Webflow sometimes gets a little bit buggy and it takes forever to publish. So this is just very good. Now let's change this console log to something like maybe just hello. And then Ctrl S, as you can see, saved just now. We go back to the website, reload, and as you can see, it's applied. So that is basically it. I know this is a very short tutorial, but I know that I struggled with connecting Slater with my projects, so I hope this was helpful. Feel free to leave a like and share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.